Friuli Venezia Giulia will soon be featured in a new action comedy TV series by the Manetti Bros, featuring Luigi Locascio, Bianca Pancioni, and Serena Rossi. Filming locations include Grignano, Trieste Airport, Mercato Coperto, and Mercato Ortofrutticolo.
We chose Friuli Venezia Giulia because the location was the right location, of course, but also because of a love story between the Manetti Bros and this regione, and in particular Trieste.
Okay.
Yes, we already worked here in the past for Diabolic and for a lot of things, so we are very happy to come back with this TV series. And the series is set in Milan, but there are some scenes that are in the port of Trieste, so it was perfect for us, and we are happy.